Most people jump into sales thinking that the key is the script, product, or the perfect pitch. That's exactly why many sales reps stay stuck at the same income level year after year. What actually separates beginners from six-figure reps and six-figure reps from million-dollar producers has nothing to do with talent. It starts with mindset, but not the fluffy, think positive version that most people just read about in social media. In this video, I'm gonna break down the mindset principles every top performer shares and how you can practice them starting today. And stick with me, because principle number 6 is the one most reps completely overlook. And it's the difference between taking rejection personally and using it as fuel. You're going to walk away with tangible strategies to break through to the next tier of your growth. At Top Rep, we've trained thousands of reps across roofing, baths, painting, HVAC, plumbing. We've seen average reps become killers and naturally talented reps plateau. And here's the truth: million-dollar reps do not think, operate, or behave like everybody else. They run a different operating system, one that is simple, disciplined, and psychologically sharp, and built for performance under pressure. Principle 1, they don't try, they commit. Average reps dip a toe in the water. Million-dollar reps throw both feet into the arena. They know half commitment produces half results. They don't hope to win the sale, they expect to, because they're prepared. Commitment is not a feeling. It's a decision to become the type of person who does the work even when it's inconvenient. Principle 2, they master controlled conversations, not high-pressure sales. Here's what most people ignore. Selling is not talking. Selling is leading. And leadership in a home improvement appointment is calm, curious, and controlled. They ask better questions because they actually listen. They manage silence, tempo, and emotions. This is emotional intelligence with teeth. Principle 3, they don't chase approval, they protect authority. Average reps want to be liked, but million-dollar reps, they just simply want to be trusted. They understand that the homeowner is evaluating one thing: can this person lead me to the right decision? They don't shrink back when the homeowner gets uncomfortable. They don't apologize for the price. Authority is not dominance. Authority is clarity, competence, and confidence, the trifecta that calms customers and closes deals. Principle 4, they treat process like religion, and this is critical. Amateurs rely on memory, but professionals rely on process. Million-dollar reps don't improvise from appointment to appointment. Their process is simple, repeatable, and predictable. And because it's predictable, it's scalable. And because it's scalable, it's profitable. They don't skip discovery. They don't rush pricing, and they don't wing objections. Their consistency is their superpower. Principle 5, they run on intentional energy. These reps understand their energy is the thermostat of the entire appointment. They show up as the best version of themselves, not the distracted, stressed, I had a long day version most reps bring. Million-dollar reps warm the room, slow the pace, and create an environment where the homeowners feel understood and not pressured. Great salespeople control the emotional tone of the conversation. Elite salespeople control the emotional tone of the buying experience. Principle 6, they think in decisions, not emotions. This is the big one. When the homeowner hesitates, when the price hits the table, when the objections start stacking, average reps take it personally. Million-dollar reps treat it professionally. They don't spiral, they don't defend, they don't beg. Instead, just simply ask questions, the right questions. And because they don't get rattled, homeowners feel safe being honest, which is the fastest path to truth, clarity, and yes, ultimately, the sale. Principle 7, they have identity level standards. This is the deepest level, the one that 99% of sales reps never reach. $1 million reps don't just perform at a high level. They identify as someone who performs at a high level. They train daily. They review their appointments. They study the language, tonality, psychology, and the buyer types. To them, excellence is a lifestyle. You can't beat people like this. You can only become one of them. Principle 8, they never confuse activity with mastery. They know the difference between being busy, being effective. $1 million reps value preparation over improv, quality over chaos, coaching over ego, and skill over hype. These are the reps who show up to the boot camps early, sit in the front, and ask the hard questions and go home with the playbook they actually execute. They don't seek motivation, they seek mastery. Here's the truth no one tells you. There isn't a single secret to becoming a $1 million home improvement rep. Here's a combination of mindsets that, when activated together, turn average performers into precision-built closers. But the ultimate truth, $1 million reps are created. They're built through repetition, sharpened through discomfort, hardened by feedback, and elevated by process and unleashed by mindset. This is what top reps exist to build. Because when you change the mind of a sales rep, you change the trajectory of an entire company. Before you click off, remember this: skills will get you started, but mindset is what determines how far you're gonna go. If you wanna grow into a consistent top-tier producer, you have to build a way of thinking that's stronger than the rejection, stronger than the slow weeks, and stronger than that voice telling you to quit early. If this helped sharpen your perspective and gave you something that you can apply today, subscribe to this channel. I'm dropping more videos that walk you through the habits, strategies, and conversations that create high-performance sales results. Go ahead, subscribe, and share this with the rest of your team. And if you're serious about taking the next step, check the links below. You can join our coaching or dive right into our full-length sales process training to accelerate your growth even faster. I'll see you on the next video.